Hey Dino,
Hey Massimo.
you know in America, when at midnight they want to have something to eat fast, you know what they have? White Castle. Here in Abruzzo we have Aglio, olio and pepe trito. Something fast and easy to make. It takes 2 minutes to do it and it's really easy. The ingredients for aglio, olio and pepe trito are extra virgin olive oil, salt, garlic and pepe trito. All right, so we're ready to make this really complicated dish. Spaghetti aglio olio. Watch out. Pay close attention. We're gonna put salt in the water. Then we're gonna add the spaghetti in the water for about 8 minutes because this is spaghetti from Abruzzo. Nice and rustic. Now pay close attention. We put olive oil, a little bit garlic. We let it saute. We don't want it to get brown. Just a little bit gold color. When you arrive to that point, we add a little bit of pepe trito, if you're lucky to have it. Of course, you can always come to Abruzzo and do our cooking class, and we have it here available. Then once the sauce is done, we eat. Here's the secret. We're gonna add a little bit of the salt water in there. And then we let it cook for another minute or so, and then when the pasta is done, we toss it in. And ta-da! Done. You see it red, there's no tomato, it's only the pepe trito. We're gonna add a little bit of parsley and decorate the plate. And the dish is ready. Very simple. You can find this recipe on abruzzocibus.com on the blog. Enjoy.